Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat. It keeps closing. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat when it keeps closing, you should just go to settings. Then in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will go to this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.